So we start thinking about if you're using that CPAP machine for sleeping, right? For health reasons every single night, what about cleaning it? I did some research for you, and do you know that a lot of the CPAP sanitation devices, cleaning devices, they start somewhere around $130. Here at Heartland America, you are seeing this for $44.99. This is an opportunity to get a 62% savings. And if you got Value Club, you know that we can save you some more money there as well. I wanted to show it to you right out of the box because a lot of people are thinking, wow, a sanitation and cleaner for a CPAP has got to be a lot of moving parts. I don't know. Let's find out together. You right off the bat have got in the sealed pouch. Let's see. Okay, nice. So you've got everything in one area. Little zipper pouch. Got that. You're going to have your directions. They're going to talk to you all about how to do safe and effective cleaning. So it comes with everything you need. You've got the CPAP hose, the mask, the water reserve, and all of this is going to come together for a super easy sanitation and cleaning device. So you've got your hose that's going to come in here, right? And then everything is going to be able to go right in this bag. Oh, on-off button. That's all you've got. One button cleaning. Love that. And you're going to also have the different size nozzles. So of course this is going to fit whatever size CPAP machine you have. Cleaner, sanitizer, it's sleek, it's compact, the one button design, which we love, and it provides cleaning that you can count on. This is going to give you peace of mind. So every single night, of course, you can sleep like a dream.
Attention CPAP users. Germs and bacteria can grow inside your reservoir, tubing, and mask. And cleaning them can be an expensive, difficult task. When you need to breathe easy, sleep great, and stay healthy, what you need is CleanZone, the affordable, portable CPAP cleaner and sanitizer. Just press, and CleanZone automatically cleans, sanitizes, and eliminates 99% of germs and bacteria from every surface of your CPAP reservoir, tube, and mask in minutes. No water, no added chemicals, no worries. You'll breathe in healthy, clean air and sleep peacefully.
I used to bug him to clean the CPAP machine, and I worried about how dirty it was.
But with the CleanZone, I just attach it to the tube, and within minutes it's clean.
We love the price, too.
The secret is activated oxygen that is created by CleanZone's internal O3 generator. Plus, it's lightweight, compact, and portable.
I looked at other CPAP cleaners, and when I compared quality and price, CleanZone was my clear choice.
I can sleep with the peace of mind knowing that I'm breathing clean.
CleanZone works with virtually all make and model CPAP machines. It's powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery and is maintenance-free. Just press, and CleanZone does the rest.
What I think is so great about this is people just like you got it home and they've given it some great reviews. Here's one. This was from just 1 month ago. They bought a CleanZone CPAP cleaner. They're pleased all around. Great service from Heartland, delivered in time, and they recommend Heartland and will be shopping with Heartland again. I've got another one though, because if you think, well, is this something I'm going to keep using? How about this guy? Love, 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 love it. That many loves. I also talked my son into getting one, and he loves it too. So if you're going to be using that CPAP machine, make sure you're cleaning and sanitizing it. $49.99 is your everyday Heartland Main Street price, but if you are a Value Club, you're down to $44 and change. This is how we roll. Everyday uses, everyday values here at Heartland.